Jai Hind everyone. So in this video we are going to find out how to divide it. So let us start. It is written over there equation x plus 1 and this. Now x plus 1, I will write one side. Next it will become 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Now I need to divide it. Normal division it is. First I will check x. After that first number it will multiply. X, how much I will get 2x square. So first I will write the coefficient. Coefficient is not there, I will take there 1. 1 how much are 2? 2 is. Now x how much I will multiply, I will get x square. So I will write here x. Because x into x I will get x square. Now 2 into 1, 2, x into x, x square. Plus 2 plus into plus 2 1s are 2, x into x, x. I think it will be little confusion. For let me explain you. 1x plus 1 which is written over there. We need to multiply with 2x. Now how I will multiply? I will apply here which property? Distributive property. Now how I will solve here? 2x into 1x plus 2x into 1. Now see here how much I have? 2x into x, 2 into 1, 2, x into x, x square plus 2 into 1, 2, x into x, x. Now I will write, if I write I will get answer this one. Now what is the rule of the division? After that next line we should do the subtraction. Now see here it is a plus. Now sign will change. Now it will plus, it will become minus, plus is there, then it will become minus. 2x square minus 2x square, I will cancel, it will become 0. Next, plus 3x, this is your minus sign. Now 3x minus 2x, answer will be your 1x. 3 is bigger or 2 is bigger? 3. So answer will be plus. It will come down, that is your plus 1. Now 1, how much are 1? 1. Its sign is plus, so I will keep here plus. 1, how much are 1? 1, 1. X, how much are x? Nothing, I will write x. Sorry. Here I will write 1. So 1 into x, 1 into 1x I will get 1x. Plus into plus plus, 1 into 1 1. So directly I can write 1x plus 1. Don't get confused, already it is simple. 1 into that number. Anything I will multiply with 1, that I will get the same number. Now here also it applies the same condition. It is plus. Now sign will change. Next the plus is there, it will become minus, plus is there, it will become minus. Now 1x minus 1x 0, plus 1 minus 1 0. So answer is 0. So what is the answer for this question? That is 2x plus 1 is their answer. Now up to here I think you have understood. Now same question, suppose you might get a doubt that sir whether the answer is correct or wrong. Now later on I will tell you how to check that. Now second equation are you able to see that? It is written over there x square minus 3x plus 4. Next number is what? 5x cube minus 13x square plus 15x plus 7. Now I need to solve. Now x, how much the 5x square I will get here? So I will get here 5x. 5 into 1, because coefficient is nothing there, means 1. 5 into 1, 5. X into x square, x cube. Next, plus into minus, minus. 5 3s are 15. X into x, x square. Plus into plus, plus. 5 4s are 20x. Now what is the next line? Every time I am doing that is sign change. Now plus it will become minus, minus it will become plus, plus it will become minus. Now 5x cube minus 5x cube cancel. Now minus 13 plus 15, answer will be here 2x square. Because plus into minus, minus. 15 minus 13, answer will be 2. 15 sign is bigger, due to that answer will be plus 2x square. Now here 15 minus 20. 15 minus 20 I will get minus 5x. Plus into minus, minus. 20 minus 15 5. Sign of bigger, 20 is bigger, so I got here minus. Now next answer it will be there plus 7. You are getting the logic? Now how to solve that number? Next I will write here plus 2. 2 into 1, 2. Now 2 into x square, x square. Now 2 into minus, 2 3s are 6x. Now 2 4s are 8. Now it is written over there plus. Now what I will do? I will do the sign change. Plus it will become minus, minus it will become plus, plus it will become minus. Sign change. Every time next step sign change. 2x square minus 2x square, sign finish. Minus 5x plus 6x. The answer is going to be here 1x plus 1x. Now here plus 1 minus 1, it will become minus 1. So I got the remainder minus 1, minus 1. So this is the process how you should divide it. Now let me explain you by taking one more example. Or else let me complete this, after that I will explain you. Now next is your factorize 2x square plus 9x plus 10. How to factorize? This is the concept that is explained in class 10, class 9. And even in higher classes also it is required. It is known as your quadratic equation. what we call this as a quadratic equation. Whichever the form that is written in this form, let me explain it here. This type of form equation, it is known as quadratic. Quadratic form. Why I am saying quadratic? What I told you, linear highest power 1, quadratic highest power 2. So here highest power, as you are able to see here, what is the highest power? That is 2. So answer is 2. Now how to write this equation? 2x square plus 9x plus 10. Now in that one trick is there. If you know that trick, you can easily solve any question. First what I will do here, this number, first number and last number I will multiply. First number, last number I will multiply. So see here how I am solving. 2 into 10. What I got the answer? 20. Now 20 I will try to find out the combination. How I can write 20? What are the factors of 20? What are the factors? 1 into 20 I will write here 20. 2 into 10 are 20. Next I can write here 4 into 5 are 20. After that any other number I can write? No, not possible. Now what are the factors I will able to observe here? 1, 22, 10, 4, 5. Now from that factor itself, you should add and subtract in such a way that you should get the answer 9. What you can say? I told you 120, 20 minus 1, 19, not possible. 10 minus 2, 8, not possible. 4 plus 5, 9, yes it is possible. So I can take here 4 and 5 combination. Now I will do here, see here. 2x square plus 9x can I write here? 4 plus 5 x plus 10, nothing changed because instead of 9 I have written 4 plus 5. Now how I got this 4 plus 5 number? By taking the factors of 20. I taken the factor of 20 and I found out which combination is setting. If that combination you need to decide it by seeing the question. That nobody knows. By seeing the practice only we get it. Like 1 into 2, 2 into 10, 4 into 5 and all. Now see how I am solving. Next equation suppose I am solving here, I will get it 2x square plus. Now how to solve this? By distributive property. 1 into 1. Now 4 into x, 4x plus 5 into x, 5x plus 10. Now what is the common between these two first two terms? First two term common is 2 because in 2 you can say because 2 is there and 4. What is the next common? That is x. Now I can write here 2x, how much I will multiply? 2x square I will get 2x x I will multiply 2 into 1 2 x into x square plus 2 into how much I will multiply? I will get 4x 2 ja 2 2 ja 4 x I will get answer. Next plus what is the common between this term? 5 x plus 5 into x 5x plus how much? The 10 I will get 2 ja. Now again you are able to see this these two terms, any common you are able to identify between this and this. What is the common that you are able to see here? That is x plus 2 x plus 2. Now I will take out that common also outside. X plus 2. Next is what? 2x. What is there remaining? Plus 5. So 2x plus 5, this is your answer. This is the process how you should solve it. Now let us move to the next question. Now it is a minus case. Now sir, how to solve this minus? Same process. That is also easy. First number and last number I will take the multiple. Now 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. Now I will take the find out the factors of 12. Now I will find 1 into 12 is 12. Next 2 into 6 is 12. Next I will tell here 4 into or as 3 into 4 is 12 and so on I can write. Now by that only you should make the combination in such a way that you should get 4. How I can make? 1 and 12 can I do? By addition or subtraction I will never get. Because if I do addition I will get 13, if I do subtraction I will get 11. Next 2 and 6. 2 plus 6 I will get 8. 6 minus 2 I will get 4. Yes, 4 I want. Now next sir, every time I am getting only 1. In other case I will not get. So let us check 4 and 3. If I do addition I will get 7. If I do subtraction I will get 1. 4 minus 3 1. Now which condition it is suiting for me? That is this one. Now see how I am trying. 3x square minus 4 can I write here 6 minus 2 x minus 4. I didn't change the equation. Simply I written the 4. I written 6 minus 2. Now next line see how I am writing. 3x square minus, how to solve this number? Same logic. Minus 6x minus into minus plus 2x minus 4. Again I am repeating because most of the students will get confusion here. Sir, how this plus sign came? Minus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. And I apply the x into 6, 6x minus x into 2, 2x minus 4. Now again apply the same process. How we find out? We find out the common between these two. What is the common between 3x square and 6x? 3x. 3x I can take common. 3x how much I will multiply x square? I will get x. 3x into x, 3x square. Again minus 3x how much I will multiply? I will get 6x. 2 ja 3 2 ja 6x plus how much I will can anything is common between these first two? Yes. What is that? 2. x minus 2 into x, 2x minus 2, how much are 4? 2 are. Now next, is anything common between this one and this one? Yes. What is that? X minus 2. So I will take out x minus 2 first. And what is remaining? 3x. And what is there? Plus 2. So this is my answer. So this is the process how to solve it. Now up to here I think you have understood everything, that how I am solving and everything. Now after that, now let me tell you, sir, whether my answer is correct or wrong. Whatever I have solved, that whether I got the correct answer, wrong answer, how to verify. So see here the process. 1x plus 1. So let us already you know that divisor into quotient plus remainder. I will get the answer. That is your dividend. What is the formula? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now let us say dividend is what? 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Now sir, divisor means what? So 1x plus 1. 1x plus 1. Quotient means 2x plus 1. This is your quotient. And remainder, how much you got? 0. Then no need to do anything. Now how to solve this number? I told you that apply the arrow rule. Next, lower to 2 parts. One by one. So how will solve? 1x, 2x plus 1. Next plus 1 into 2x plus 1. Now see how it is. 1 in this case also apply the bracket. 1x into 2, 1 into 2, 2, x into x, x square. 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1, 1, x means nothing, I will write direct x. 1 2 ja, 1 into 2x, 2x plus 1 into 1, 1. Here also I am applying the bracket, sign of arrow rule. Now see here. Next, like terms, 2x square, I can't do anything. Next, xx, see here. 1x plus 2x it is written. 1x plus 2x, how much it will be? 3x plus 1. If you are not understanding that addition of that, how to add these fractions, how to add the terms, you can check my previous video at that time. I have taught that. Now see here, 2x square plus 3x plus 1. What is my starting quotient? 2x square plus 3x plus 1. I reached again back to the same question. You will get it, every answer is correct. In this process also, if you will verify, you will get the exact same answer. Now let me verify, it will be easy for you. Now how to solve that? Divisor. Here instead of writing the formula directly, I will start. What is the quotient? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here I am writing dividend. That is your x square minus 3x plus 4. Dividend into what is the written word? Dividend into quotient. Quotient is what? 5x plus 2 plus remainder. Remainder is what? 1x minus 1. Now let us verify whether I am getting accurate answer or not. Now how to solve this? By arrow method. Now next term is also there. Let me start them down. 1, 2. Now let's start. 5x. First I will multiply 1 by 1. So they are telling 5x. I am going to multiply, that is x square minus 3x plus 4. 5x I will multiply with individual terms. After that plus sign is here. I will put here next plus sign. Next what I am going to multiply? 2. 2 I am going to multiply this total bracket. 2 into x square minus 3x plus 4. 5x I will multiply with this total. Again plus sign is there. After that 2 I will multiply this total bracket. Now in this way you can multiply. You will get after that. Okay. One more addition is there. What is that? Plus 1x minus 5. Okay. This number is there. I will add that later due to the lack of space. Now let me start. 5 into x, 5. X into x square, x cube. Minus 5 3 ja 15 x square. Plus 5 4 ja 20 x. Plus 2 into x, 2x square. Plus into minus, minus 6x plus 4 2 ja 8. This term is there. I will add it later. Now see here. Is there any like terms? Yes. 5x cube. Sir, 5x cube is there. Next, minus 15x square plus 2x square. Minus 15 plus 2. What will be answer? Minus 15 plus 2, that will be minus 13x square. Now 20x minus 6x. Minus 14. Minus 14x. Now any constant is there? Yes, constant is there, sir. Now next, what is the number now I will add? 1x minus 1. Now 5x cube. Now minus 13x square. Minus 13x square. Now minus 13 plus 1. Answer will be your minus 13x. Because minus into plus, minus 14 minus 1 13. Now it is 8 minus 1, that is 7. That will be answer your plus 7. Now up to here we got it. Just a second. 14. It is written over there 1x. Everything okay. 13x plus 15. Okay, I think that's